I'm Rob Zip, and you're watching The Most Epic Adventures. On this episode, we are at the Houston Farmers Market on Airline in Houston, Texas. I've never been here before, so let's check it out and see if we can find some people we know and find the most metal fruits and vegetables in Houston. All right, guys, so I met up with Aaron. Aaron plays drums. He's a drummer in so many local bands. And Jen is his sister, and Drew is her boyfriend. That's the thing about this. Okay, there we go. You can't, it's got a front screen. That's awesome. But you can't tell.
We can see ourselves.
You can see yourselves.
Yeah.
I can have you framed up a little better here. There you go. So you guys are taking journeys, right?
Yeah, we're journeying with Jen and Drew.
There you go. And Aaron, what are you up to?
About to go play some drums after this. Just kind of stop by on my way, and yeah.
What's your band now?
I'm in 3 metal bands. So one's called Dorja. It's kind of the newest one. We just dropped a single on all streaming platforms. Then I'm in another one called Castor Troy. Yeah. We got one release out, and then the last one's called the Sibelian Triangle.
Here we got a little stuff. We got pallets of corn. A pallet of corn. Some melons and fruits. Some tagine back there. We're gonna look for the most metal stuff at this farmer's market. Now, this was the Caninos Farmers Market, and it was just like wooden pallets are stacked up everywhere. It actually became like a safety hazard. So they tore it down and built this huge, crazy place. They got the big ass fans up there. And we got some empty stalls, so if you're looking to sell some fruits and vegetables and other stuff, you can come on down. And, oh, look at the big old sacks of nuts. The dried chilies. So Aaron, we got to find the most metal stuff in this farmer's market.
All right.
I mean that's literally metal.
Yeah.
But I mean like figurative metal. Oh look, cool, fun kid toys like slingshots.
Those are the things.
Corn grinder.
Clacker things.
Oh yeah, those clackers, those will break apart and throw shards in your face. That's pretty brutal. Yeah, that shit is not legal.
Where were they?
That ice cream looks like poop. Can you zoom in? Can you zoom in on a GoPro?
I think you can.
All right, Jenna.
Is it not any of these?
No.
Jenna, which one?
Cut up fruit? I don't even know what that is. Yeah, so like there's a huge thing of caramel right here. My mom was wondering why such a huge thing of caramel. And this place is open every day at 5:30 in the morning. And a lot of chefs from all over Houston come here to get their ingredients for the day. So if you want to see some real action, you'll come down here early in the morning to see the chefs pick out the best of the best. We got all kinds of, look at this, just spiky.
That looks like a COVID-19.
Don't touch it, don't touch it.
Why?
Because you're gonna give it COVID-19.
Yeah, we posted on our Instagram.
All right, so you guys journey with Jen and Drew.
Yeah.
You guys have taken some adventures. Cool. You're gonna get some, what is that?
Jicama.
Jicama. Okay, get some jicama, Mom. Anyway, you guys journey with Jen and Drew. You guys have taken some cool trips. You've made some videos. I've seen some pictures from your travels to like Europe and stuff like that. But you just kind of hinted that you're gonna go big time.
We're gonna try. We're gonna attempt.
You're gonna attempt. So what's happening?
So go.
I was gonna say that we just had our last day of work on Friday, and we're just gonna be trying to road trip around Texas and the U.S. more and more. So we're kind of preparing for that.
for that
We're gonna
process
set
right
out
now.
in August, and we had 9-to-5 jobs that had not much flexibility, so we switched to online teaching jobs. So we're still gonna make some income, but it's gonna give us flexibility to travel, road trip, and then hopefully we can also go to Latin America in the next 6 to 12 months. So doing some cool stuff.
Awesome, guys. Well, subscribe to their channel and you'll see all of those crazy adventures, and your Instagram.
Yes.
You post your Instagram. You keep your Instagram fresh, like this jicama that my mom got.
Some fresh.
How is it?
It's good. You want to taste?
Yeah.
They put lime on it.
So yeah, to keep it from
I've bought these before and cut them, and they're painted and acid cut. They're real hard. Like it?
It's okay. It's kind of bland. You guys should try some.
You wanna try some jicama?
I have spearmint coming.
Kind of bland. It really is.
Really?
But it kind of tastes like, in fact, you can.
Oh, why did the screen
Apple.
turn off? What does that mean when the screen
It's
just
a
goes?
power saving mode.
What? So is
Unless
it?
it turned off completely. If you tap the screen, it should turn on.
Yeah. There we go.
It's still recording.
It is still recording. That is. So I just got this GoPro, so I'm learning it. I'm asking them questions because they have GoPros. I'm like, what is this? What is this?
We did that so much.
Are you gonna join them on any of their adventures?
We'll see if they invite me.
Oh, we've already invited you.
That's true. I'll probably join them.
Yeah.
Or we'll see if they join me in my adventures.
Oh, there you go.
Invite us.
We're coming to Lukenbach.
Oh yeah, you want to come to Lukenbach?
When is that? When are you playing Lukenbach?
July. Let me check my calendar. 8th or 9th, somewhere around there.
Do you know what day of the week that
Yeah,
is?
July 9th. It's a Friday.
I most likely will be at work. So. Or will I? Look, it's like crystals and stuff. Incense.
I bought a bracelet here last time I came.
Did you?
It was like right.
All the different. Need some water? So we got some water right here. Mexican sodas, little Takis. Oh, candy. Got plenty of these in your backyard. Not now. All the flavored nuts and candies, covered in chile. The dried, dead husks of the chili pepper lives forever at the farmer's market. Lots of cinnamon. A lot of cinnamon. Different kinds of mole. That's what it's good for. It's for cholesterol, arthritis. This is good for cholesterol and arthritis, apparently.
That is
This is good. This is good for fertility. Makes you strong like bull.
Is that prostate or is it good for prostate?
Both, perhaps.
Oh my.
And there's lots of empty, brand new buildings for companies to come and set up shop. It's a really nice place. What do you think, Aaron?
I like it.
There you go. Oh, and there's a taco truck out in the parking lot. Oh, I gotta try one of those tacos. You know the taco truck. You know the taco truck in the parking lot of the farmer's market's gotta have the freshest stuff.
Una sonrisa, un día en la cámara vos enojado. Azúcar. Y un saludo yo
Drink
por
it, yeah.
y un mandar saludos para.
Okay. I got paper on it. I can't drink it out of the paper. Ah. Wet paper. All right. Tastes like
Coconut water.
tastes like coconut water, yeah.
That's a good sign.
Yeah,
Oh,
right?
it's all down in here.
Yeah, look, some of it's leaked out because he stabbed it. He murdered it. That's pretty metal. He used a knife.
You're murdering your thirst for coconut water.
Burritos, tacos, quesadillas. Quesadilla. Yeah. All right, guys, so this was our adventures at the Houston Farmers Market. It is, it's June and it's hot. So just keep that in mind. They are open every day at 5:30 in the morning. So it might be better to come do your adventuring at the Houston Farmers Market early in the morning where you can actually see some like chefs doing their thing. I didn't find any blood oranges, but I found a coconut that I drank out of that paid a little too much for. Mom got some tomatoes. She got some fresh, well, there you go. Let's look at those tomatoes. Look at those. Aaron, you just had a good time, right?
I made some great memories.
And you got something to scare away ghosts.
Yeah, I got some sage and a crystal, so I'm gonna be casting spells.
And we lost Drew. Drew's gone.
It's water, but he had a good time too. His was
It's air conditioning in there.
Yeah, he's gonna get some water. I don't like the plastic bottled water, but sometimes you have to do what you have to do. A day like today, especially, make sure you drink water, listen to metal, enjoy nature, and have the most epic adventures. My name is Rob Zip. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and a comment and a subscribe and all that cool stuff. And if not, thanks for stopping by.